discuss about Jambu Island or the Jambu Dweep. So it's a concept of the Bharatvarsh. It's a concept of the part of the Bharatvarsh. So that was the important. Let's see, for the Bharatvarsha, that was the important concept. But in Bharatvarsha, many sub concepts are there, like the Bharatvarsh, Jambudvip, Aryavarth, India, Hindustan, and the Bharat. So different type of the names and different type of the sub concept present here. So we will discuss about in this session. So that concept and one sub concept we discuss in detail today's clip. So let's we start Bharatvarsh. So that concept was the important in MPSC, UPSC, SETNET exam, and also all type of the exams. That concept was the important. Let's we start. Let's see here Iceland and the Jambudvip. So what is meaning of the Jambudvip? That concept are from the Bharatvarsha. Okay, it's a sub concept of the Bharatvarsha. So eternal kingdom. So that was important. So what is meaning of the Jambudvip? So that was the one type of the empire. They are continuously run in the world. So that was the important. Even today, our democratic empire or our democratic state are run in the world. So name of that uh, state is called Democratic India. So Democratic Bharat or Democratic India. So that was the important. That is also part of the Jambudvip. Even today, many shloks are in the many shloks. This concept are present. So let's see here Jambudvipe Bharatakhande. So that was the important. Let's see. So therefore eternal kingdom. So that was the important. So Jambudvip or the Jambu Island is called the eternal kingdom. So Sanatan. So Sanatan concept is the most important concept from the Hindu tradition. So let's see here. This is the king. This is the kind of state where people are always urged to acquire and impart knowledge or share knowledge. Even today, mention the Jambu Dvipe Bharatakhande. So that was the important. Let's see here the people in this state. That people they want to acquire the new knowledge and they donate that knowledge to the other people. So that was the important work of these people. So this empire, what was the characteristic of this empire? So knowledge is the characteristic of this empire. So that people acquire all over the world without weapon. They acquire all over the world by the mind and the knowledge. So therefore this empire is called the knowledgeable empire and the Sanatan empire. So that was the important. Let's see here where the goddess Saraswati is the worship in the form of Mahabharati. So in the Jambudvip, so Saraswati is worshipped by the name of the Mahabharati. So they was take the worship of the Mahabharati or the Ma means the mother. So mother goddess worship. So name of that mother goddess was the Saraswati. Saraswati is the most important goddess from the Hindu religion. From the Hindu lifestyle. So that was the important. Due to the natural causes, the glaciers separated from the Jambu Island, Aryavarth remain. Let's see here by the natural causes. So we know the glacier are separated and make the many land in the ancient era. So we know that geography. So by that incident, so Aryavarth was separate from the glacier and remain that is called the Aryavarth. So that is the Aryavarth. That Aryavarth was the part of the Jambudvip. So that was also important. Next one, due to the Christian and Islamic attack, so Aryavarth become a smaller and India remain in the year. So that was also important. So many foreigner attacker came to Aryavart on the Jambudvip. So that Jambudvip is part of the Jambudvip's part. So Aryavart. So many foreigner attacker came to here and they acquired that land like the Europe, like the Middle East, like the Southeast. So many foreigner attackers acquired that land. Therefore, today's India's remain. So this concept is the most important for you. So memorize it and stay on this channel because we discuss about more from the Bharatvarsha. It's only one sub part of the Jambudvip. So after the Jambudvip, we next video we will discuss about the Aryavart. So Aryavart is also important sub concept from the Bharatvarsha. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. My name is Shrikant Devendra Joshi from Sahyadri Academy.